This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Wiper blades replacement. Turn the ignition key to the run position, then turn the wiper switch to the on position. Allow the wiper arm to reach the center of the windshield, then turn the ignition key off. Lift the arm away from the glass for clearance. Then depress the release tab and slide the wiper blade out of the hook in the end of the arm. Carefully lower the wiper arm to the windshield. Open the cover on the new wiper arm. If equipped, then slide the new blade fully into the hooked end of the arm. An audible click can be heard that indicates it is secure. Remove the wiper blade cover if equipped, and allow the wiper arm assembly to rest against the windshield.